everybody, it's your girl Kim and I'm back again with another video. I know I've been gone for a while, but your girl been sick. But I'm back now, and thank you for all the get well wishes. I truly appreciate it. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all the people that's watching all of my videos, vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat, and following your girl on Instagram and using my hashtag Kimble Lit Wicks or Kimble Lit Wick. You are my MVP, my MVP, my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Y'all, let me get some lotion real quick. Grab some lotion, and this is Pure Wonder hand cream. The first one I grabbed, but my hand's a little ashy. Sorry if my voice is a little weird. I might have to stop and like drink some water or whatever, but let's get this one going. I went to the store today or this whole weekend. Bath and Body Works is doing a 10 off sale, so I did grab some stuff. They still doing the semi-annual sale, so I didn't really grab anything from that. I grabbed two things from the semi-annual, well actually more than two. But my main reason for going to the store is because I wanted to grab some of the newer candles, but like I said, they had so many items on the 75%. I did not buy any body care. I did buy some hand soap. This is the lavender, bergamot and lavender soap. I did grab two, and then I grabbed two of the champagne toast soaps, and these were, I think these were 75%, so I did grab that. And the next things that I got, she taped it. I got a single wick candle, Falling Flurries. This was 75%, even though this was inside of the 50% bin. So you want to make sure, if you know that things supposed to be 75%, make sure you go and get a price check, because these were in the 50% bucket or bin. So I told her to do a price check. They came up 75%. Again, another one. That's wrap. Super happy to find this one. Yes, chocolate grams. Yes. I think I only have one of these, so I am so happy to be able to have another one. The scent notes is milk chocolate, graham cracker, caramel swirl, and vanilla extract. Yes. This came out last season, last Christmas, or like right before Christmas of last year. Of 2020, I should say. So I am glad to get this one, and it does not look like it's been on a warmer or anything. Look like it is a brand new candle. I'm happy to get this, and this was 75% off. Yes. So basically those are the only things that I got for the 75%. Happy about that. So yeah, I did have a 20% coupon, as well as a free coupon for a free wallflower. So I did get in the Stars wallflower. So yeah, I did grab that. Okay, the first candle I got is Prosecco and Peaches. I only wanted to get candles that I do not already have, so all of these candles is new to me. I think they're new scents or new fragrances. So yeah, I did grab this one, even though I do want all of the candles that's in this collection. But I want to wait for a better sale. $10 off is just okay for me, but I would like to get, I don't know, I would like for them to do like a $14.95 and we have a coupon or something. I try to get my candles as close to $10 as possible. Yes, I did have a 20% coupon, which made these like 13, I believe. I can't remember, but made them like 13, which is not that bad, but I try to get as close as possible to the $10 mark. There's the scent notes. Okay, let's see. The scent notes to this Prosecco and Peaches is bubbly champagne, juicy peach, and a hint of vanilla. Yes, yes, yes. The packaging is somewhat cute. It is rather plain, but I do like this packaging. Most definitely smell creamy. This is actually pretty nice. I'm just hoping this is the peach candle that I've been looking for. I want something that's sweet, almost like that peach Jolly Rancher candy. That's the type of peach that I'm looking for. Hopefully this might give it to me. This is actually good. This is actually pretty good. Okay, the next candle, because we gotta move this on. Oh, I didn't mean to get this. Oh. I didn't mean to get this. Oh my God, y'all. I'm gonna have to return this one. I did not mean to get this one. I just seen the packaging and I was like, yes, yes, yes. I didn't even read it. This is champagne toast. Y'all know I don't want no champagne toast. What? Oh man. This is a return. Most definitely a return. So sorry, I didn't even realize I grabbed that one. But let's look at the packaging. Packaging is actually really cute. Y'all see that? I really like it. What is that? Champagne bottles and glasses. That's actually really nice. That's actually really, really nice. But I'm gonna return this. Dang, I didn't realize I got that. Confetti Daydream is the next one. As y'all see, it's like the party favorites. Is it? Yeah, it's like party favorites. Packaging is really cute. Okay, scent notes is raspberry, pear, pink lily petals. Yeah, and pink lily petals. Wow, this is actually nice. It's a very soft scent. It's almost like, and I hate to refer to the things, but it's almost like if you smell toilet paper. Toilet paper. It's soft like that. Wow, this is actually really, really nice. So yeah, Confetti Daydream. I can't believe I got that candle. Moving on. Yes, 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 yes. A champagne margarita. Champagne margarita. Scent notes. Lime, bubbly champagne, sugar cane. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody is saying that this is in the same family as Frosted Moscow Mule. I'm gonna have to pull mine out to compare them because I believe I have 4 of those candles. So I will compare them to see. This is good. Wow. It most definitely get that lime, sweet lime. It's almost like if you put limes in a cup and put some sugar in it and you start mauling them. That's what it smells like. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. This is really, really nice. Wow. Wow, I'm glad I grabbed 2 of them because I know it's a lot of hype around this candle. Everybody is so excited to have this candle because of the Moscow Mule candle never came back out yet. Not to say that they won't, but they haven't came yet. And this is the closest thing to it. So I might, when I go back to exchange this one, I might grab another one of these. But we shall see. Okay, so yeah, grab 2 of those. Now, these expensive candles. These things is $29.50. Crazy. That's crazy. So $10 off, you still spending basically $20 for this candle. Crazy. Like I said, I had a 20% coupon, which brought these down to $15.60, which is still kind of high. To me. The other candles came out to $13.20. That's crazy. That's crazy. I hate that they're going up on the prices for these candles. I hate it. $29.50 is just over the top for me. I'm just saying, y'all, it's just way too much. But the lid is actually really nice. This is pink Prosecco frosting. A lot of people is comparing this to this candle, which is this blackberry creme frosting. So I don't know. I do have both, and I guess I could compare them. But let's smell it. I actually like the lid, but is this a $29.50 lid? No. That's the reason why I would love if Bath & Body Works gave us the option. You know, you want the expensive lid? Okay, it's a little $2 upcharge. If you don't, then okay, just the regular price. Let's smell and see what this is. Most definitely smells like frosting, and you do get that fruity scent behind it. Yeah, they're kind of close. They are kind of close, but I most definitely will have to smell these burning. And then because I lit this one, I get that smoky smell. But yes, they are very similar, smelling them on cold. Now, the last 2 candles I got, the ones that I am so excited about, is this toasted coconut eclair. Oh my goodness, so excited. Behind the dark oud candle, the dark amber and oud, behind that one, this is my number, I don't know, this might be my number 1. This might be my number 1 for spring 2022 is this one. I don't know what it smells like, but I'm hoping this is my beloved, the s'mores candle. I'm hoping it's giving me that. Okay, but the scent notes is donut, chocolate frosting, toasted coconut flakes. We gonna see, y'all. And again, $29.50. It has a fancy lid. Winter chicken dinner. Yes. Yes. Like I told y'all in my sipping chat, this is our season. If you don't like coconut, I'm sorry. For everybody who loves coconut, this is our time. As y'all do see, all these spring candles or the upcoming candles have a lot of coconut in them. And I'm not mad at it. This is nice. I can't wait to burn this one. Hopefully it gives me what it's giving me on cold, hopefully. But I do get that toasted coconut. I can't wait. So basically that's everything that I have that I bought today with the sale. Leave in the comments, let me know what was your pick. What did you buy? Did you participate in this sale? I do know in some areas they got a $15.95 sale versus the $10 off sale. I kind of wish we got the $15.95 sale, but we didn't. So yeah, leave in the comments, let me know, did your stores have the $15.95 or did your stores do the 10 off? And leave in the comments, what was your number one pick? Yes, yes, yes. This is my number one pick behind the dark amber and oud, because y'all know I love grown scents. But this, y'all know I ride for coconut. I ride for coconut. So yeah, leave that in the bottom. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, follow my hashtag as well as use my hashtag. Hit the notification bell as well as thumbs up the video. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.